Do these new approaches bring greater transparency for patients, for regulators, for companies, for investors, or is there a risk that once you remove those sort of golden moment data readouts, that you create more uncertainty that's going to cause problems for companies and their investors?
Well, I think we're all dealing with greater uncertainty anyway, to be honest, Andrew. I would just take a challenge from Michelle here, which is it's not just global pharma. There are small, medium-sized and small biotechs particularly who are very interested in this area, and decisions are not always made globally. One of the issues, I think, and certainly from the life science strategy from the government perspective, they see EAMS, adaptive licensing, etc., as being an encouragement to the small and medium category particularly. I think that's worth pointing out. On the HTA side, I don't think it's black and white. I think there should be some broad dynamics established at the European level. But of course, any HTA process has to work with its domestic healthcare system, which creates further challenges. So a decision by NICE, for example, on a drug in the UK would not be applicable in France because it has a different system and responds differently to drug use. I think the issue will be where HTA ends up on affordability, rather than just simply assessing value. I think that's the next big challenge. Data uncertainty is a big issue, and I think data transparency is a big issue as well. And I would say that we're all looking at this from a peering into it and thinking there's a lot of issues we've got to address and lots of concerns, as I raised, from the industry perspective. I think the other concern clearly from the industry is early signals on drug use can often be wrong, and you often need broader patient populations to get a true understanding. But that shouldn't stand in our way of moving forward on this.